Matthew McConaughey should buy this car. All right, all right. Jake won't know what that means because he's never seen the movie, people. Leave comments for him in the comment section on the YouTube. Why haven't you seen Dazed and Confused? Wow. All right, all right. I'm ready, Freddie. Hello, everybody. I'm Christopher, the guy behind the camera, as always, Jake the Snake, and this is Fast Lane Classic Cars. Jake, take it away. Oh, my Lord. Hey everybody, I'm Christopher, the guy behind the camera is Jake the Snake, and this is Fast Lane Classic Cars. Jake, tell the people some stuff.
Let me tell them some stuff. We're 15 minutes outside St. Louis to the west in St. Charles, Missouri. I'm going to put the phone number above Chris's head. Look, there it is. Remember it, write it down. Call us about this silver 69 Dart or the other 150 or so cars we have at any given time. And also, like and subscribe, because 92% of you that come back and watch these are not subscribed, and it makes me sad. Please hit the bell, because then you get notified when we make cool videos like this. But for now, Chris, tell us all about how cool this Dart is.
This is a really cool Dart. It's a 1969 Dodge Dart with the 360 V8 stroked out to a 408. 4-speed manual transmission with the Hurst shifter. 3 3/4 gears in the rear with a 350 Sure Grip. Bright silver metallic paint with beautiful black vinyl top. Black vinyl bucket seats with beautiful, the interior is amazing. It's like brand new, it's great. It's got, now there's a lot of specifics on this one as far as the build. Hydraulic roller, Valvetrain, aluminum heads, aluminum Super Victor intake with Holley 750. It's a March Serpentine belt system here. We got a vintage air, 4-wheel disc brakes, power steering, subframe connectors, headers, stainless steel X-pipe, stainless steel exhaust with an X-pipe, polished dyno mufflers, 15-inch rear Magnum 500 wheels with BFGs. I met the guy who built this car. He takes it very, very seriously, and he did a great build here. And I've been jonesing to drive this thing because it sounds fantastic.
It does. I want to pop the hood real quick and
oh,
look
let's
at
do that.
Just take a gander, and then once we do that, we'll do our little startup. Whoops. It's got the double latch system. There's a second latch. It's under the hood.
Oh, there it is. Here, here, here. Somewhere, oh my God.
Yeah, it's no joke.
That's the best part.
He's not messing around.
No, he did a great, great job. Wow.
And when you hear it, you'll realize
wow,
what all this is for.
I have not seen this yet.
Because yeah,
it's so funny.
It makes a noise, and it's not a bad one.
God, everything is beautiful in here.
All right, you ready to start it up?
I'm excited about this whole entire situation.
Let's do it. Oh, wow.
Jake, I know we like to live dangerously. We got about a quarter tank in there. You feel solid about it?
I feel good about it.
I like your attitude.
We don't go very far.
This brake is on, isn't it?
No, it's off.
It's funny how it stays in place right here.
Well, because I parked it so that it wouldn't roll, Chris.
You did a very good job. I'm like,
there's a big crack in our parking lot where I park manual cars sometimes so we do videos so they don't roll away.
I like that.
This thing is not messing around.
No, and the clutch is wonderful.
It's good. It is a very cold-natured beast.
Yeah, I know.
So we're going to give it plenty of time to warm up before we really get on it. Because when you build an engine like this, you want to keep it going for as long as you can. So we're going to let all the fluids get nice and warm.
Oh boy, it's got some fluids.
Oh, it sounds good. You even got the Dart solid state radio right there. Very cool.
That's actually really cool.
They've got vintage air conditioning.
Love it.
And then some auxiliary gauges down there for water temp, and it looks like oil pressure, which is very awesome. You got the across left to right speedo there on the dash. Oh goodness, he's going. God, it makes a noise.
It does, and this isn't just messing around, really.
Yeah,
I'm not even going fast.
No, I know you're not, but goodness.
Wow. There's not much to this car. I mean, it's a light car, and that engine is awesome.
Yeah, it's
Holy cow, what a...
Yeah, we're not saying it's a small car.
No, but it's a light car
but
compared
it's not,
to what we're usually
it's not like
driving.
one of those big body, you know, Chargers or something from back then. And this engine has plenty of get up and go, goodness, to get it around. Actually handles pretty decent around that roundabout.
Sure does.
When you're paying attention.
We're always paying attention.
You have to be paying
Fast.
attention. Bucket seats are nice too.
Oh, the interior is beautiful.
It's in great condition. And we also have...
Oh yeah, we do.
Real back seats for real people with actual leg room.
Yeah, we do.
You can fit adults back there. Very cool. And this headliner is just in perfect condition. You got the light there. The visors don't droop.
Love non-droopy visors.
I hate droopy visors when they, you know, keep falling down in your face. These are tight like a tiger.
Like a tiger.
This dashboard, no cracks or anything. Nice big wooden steering wheel. Very cool. Gotta love that.
It's a Dart, baby.
Oh, it's a Dart. In silver on black.
I love it.
Iconic. Timeless. It's never going to go out of style.
Nope.
And the paint's in great condition, so you're not going to have to worry about that for a long while.
It's a Mopar guy's dream.
Yeah, this was built very meticulously and very well.
Yes.
This guy knew what he was doing.
And he's a neat guy, too. Really nice man.
Here's the glove box with the faux cup holders. These are basically useless. Maybe if you're sitting parked in your,
drive-in.
At the drive-in, put your soda on there. But don't try to drive with them sitting there.
That would be the greatest thing
Even
ever.
if it's just sitting there idling, this cam is pretty choppy. It'll probably shake it over.
Yeah, you gotta have a lid.
Yeah, definitely have a lid. Oh wow! A little second gear action. God, this thing just rips.
It's not even, I mean, I'm barely even trying. It's just throw it in a gear and go.
Yeah, let's see. Water temp just hit 160. So we're just getting a little bit warm now. Starting to warm up. It's a cool day today.
It is cool.
And that was the first time we started it. Right now, what time is it? Like 2:33?
I think so.
The first time I started this morning was at 9:30.
Yeah.
And we hadn't started it since. So it was definitely cold when we just started it just now. But I mean, for a big choppy cam and, you know, board over engine, it took it pretty good.
It's a championship
It is
car.
a champion.
I love this car.
Warmed up pretty easily. And here's our stop sign. Wee bit of a bean test coming up. Just a wee bit. We're gonna let this lady get out of the way first. We might scare her. Oh no, she's going in front of us. Why would you do that, Chris?
Well, I didn't know she was going in front of us. She didn't have her signal on.
She didn't have her signal
have her
on.
indicator on.
Second gear action. Okay.
Let's catch up with the focus.
And we caught up to her. God, this thing just...
Man, it rips.
That was what, like 30% throttle?
I'm not even trying, sir. Man, oh man, oh man.
Oh, it pulls in every gear.
Yeah, every gear, dude. It's oh, and she's a smoker.
Oh, that's good. Hey, it's America. You can do whatever you want.
She can do whatever she wants.
It's a free country.
Yeah, it's as free gets.
And
Wow,
I have free will, and if I had
just like Rush,
vast amounts of money, I would have this car immediately. This thing is awesome. Oh, it's good.
Oh, it's fun. You're having a good time on your flybys.
Yeah, it's a good old-fashioned good time.
It's a good old-fashioned good time. Hey now, when we're here.
Oh wow.
Will it stay?
It'll stay.
Oh
God,
this is nice.
Listen to that cam. Hold on, be quiet.
It's a loper.
It's good stuff. It's just good stuff. Well, I'm ready to hear it from the outside. You ready to do flybys?
Let's do it. Let's do it.
Oh yeah, crank your windows. They're not mad at you.
No,
You just
they're
gotta
not.
crank them and put them up and down.
Just crank them up and down for the love of Mike. All right, let's do this. Matthew McConaughey should buy this car. All right, all right. Jake won't know what that means because he's never seen the movie, people. Leave comments for him in the comment section on the YouTube. Why haven't you seen Dazed and Confused? Wow. All right, all right. Here he comes, Jake the Snake. With the 1969 Dodge Dart Silver with black vinyl top, black interior, 4-speed. Let's do it, baby. Oh, Jake.
You don't drive very many cars that skirt the tires in every gear at half throttle.
Yeah, I know.
I'll be honest with you, Chris. I didn't punch it that entire time. Not fully, but I mean, this thing just takes off. I don't understand it. It's one of the coolest sounding cars we have right now, in my opinion. It's just, you don't see darts very often. You see a lot of Chargers, Challengers, stuff like that. I love the dart.
You don't see him that nice?
No, the body style's great. No, you don't see him this nice.
Man,
the silver,
nice.
black interior, 4-speed. This thing shifts like butter, by the way.
Oh, I love it. The clutch in this thing is the best.
Oh, it's easy to grab the gears. It's aggressive, but you know, it's not
Oh, it's
uncomfortable.
aggressive.
But I love it. I love it to death. Are you
I
ready?
like the way it all looks, too. It looks great inside there. Everything's very simple, and it works.
It's
I
done
love
very
that.
well. You ready to go back?
Let's do it, man.
Let's go.